Hey, Bruce Naylor, welcome to the Frugal Tech channel. On this channel, we talk about the gear and techniques to make better YouTube videos. And this video has been a long time coming. I have been a YouTuber for over 10 years. And I downloaded my first YouTube video so you could take a look at just how bad it really was and how far I've come as a YouTuber since 2008. Take a quick look. Hi everybody, Bruce Naylor here with Frugal Brothers Software. Finally you can put a face with the voice on the other end of the phone. The reason I'm talking to you tonight is that we wanted to put together a community of small businesses, companies that are looking to save money on their technology. So we're going to do a streaming video. Yeah, so it's been a long journey, right? I had terrible video. It was I believe a Sony camcorder, and believe it or not, I'm still a fan of Sony camcorders. Standard definition, poor lighting, didn't really have an understanding of all the basics of the camera. Terrible audio, really horrible. It was a 10 by 10 room with servers and laptops and desktop machines all wailing away in this very, very small space. And so you know how just terrible the audio was on that video. You know, come today, I'm shooting on this video particularly on a Canon 70D. I'm using a 24mm prime lens. Got audio from a Rode VideoMic Pro. I edit this thing in Final Cut Pro. I've got some decent LED lighting in here. And so I've just come a really long way, and I've learned a lot of stuff over the last 10 years in making good looking videos. So in the future, this channel is going to be more and more devoted to, you know, mastering the lighting, the camera gear, the lenses, the tripods, all the stuff that goes behind producing videos for YouTube. Now, I'm not a cinematographer. I'm not a photographer. This is a hobby that I have learned a lot about through trial and error over the last decade. And hopefully I got some things to share that if you're not making YouTube videos right now, you really should get started. Now, I've been teasing about this whole Frugal Tech 2.0 thing for quite some time. And this is it. This is what we're going to be talking about quite a bit going forward, whether it's a gear review or a how-to video. But I want to help you if you're not making videos right now, or if you want to take your video to the next level. Check out my channel, watch these upcoming videos. Maybe you'll learn a thing or two, and maybe I'll learn a thing or two from you as well. That's it. Bruce Naylor, Frugal Tech. See you in the next one.